find wherever you'll be searching. Won't you follow? No one follow me to get home. Won't you ask someone to show you? You'll feel hollow.
Started today's walk heading up into Stob Dubh, up to the snowfields. Cracking morning, a wee bit of smirry rain, but nothing to write home about. That's where we're heading. Up there. The summit's in the clouds at the minute. But should be a good morning for it. I'll bring you back when I'm a bit higher. Catch you in a bit.
Close your home. Walk with me by the sound through the trees. I can show you to your homeland of your days and memories. Walk with me where you thought you'd always be. I can show you to your homeland, to your homeland.
It's starting to hit the snow and ice now. Quite high up. Still, the clouds are starting to break. Still meaning for a fantastic day. Quite busy. I'll bring you back just shortly once we get a bit higher.
On the path you have taken isn't long. You'll be at the end. Find your way home. Walk with me by the sound through the trees. I can show you to your homeland of your days and memories. Walk with me.
The final push up to the summit. So up onto the top of the ridge. There's a cairn over there. Looking down into the valley in Glen Etive. That's where we spent the night last night. It's actually snowing right now. It just started. Perfect timing. Can't wait to get up the top. It'll be so fantastic, the view, if it clears off and that burns away. But hopefully I've got enough battery power to bring you up the top. We'll catch up with you soon. It's snowing slightly, so it's still okay, still got good visibility.
To your homeland. Walk with me by the sound through the trees. I can show you to your homeland.
Finally made it to the summit. Just to go to the crest and have a look right down into Glen Etive. The weather's been absolutely amazing. As you can see, we're up the cloud, the snow's stopped. There's quite a few people over the ridge here, I think. So I'm going to go right over the top here, and hopefully it'll give us a view that I'm looking for. It's been drifting in and out for the last sort of half hour with the cloud cover, but well worth the effort, well worth it, absolutely fantastic. He'll bring us back just in a couple of seconds when we go up over the ridge.
There's a girl and I can see her far away from this frontier, 'cause I want to dance to the Highland girl where the skies reach out for miles. I want to feel the breeze of the Hebrides.
Hopefully the battery lasts holds effect. I never thought of that today, so I'm trying to keep it in my pocket to make sure I'm in there. There's a view at the minute because of the cloud cover. Bit of luck, it'll uplift a wee while. I don't know if you can hear me over the noise of the wind. It's starting to bring up a little bit. There's a group here just then you can see a lot right along to this Loch Etive from in the distance there.
In the footsteps of the past, and when you breathe your last, life's returning. For when the sun sets on the years, all the miles and all the tears, a world away from here, it's the morning. In my mind I see her smile, where the tide lines grace the eye. Feel the